Today, I want to talk about something I did that might surprise some of you or both of you who watch. I shut down Meta ads for 2 of my clients. Cold stop. Don't get me wrong. I'm not saying Meta is dead. I'm still going to boost posts that perform well organically. And that's something other marketing people online are saying, that they're saying that's a waste of time. Don't boost posts. I couldn't disagree more with them. But as far as running structured ad campaigns through Meta Ads Manager, I'm done, man. I really am. Here's why. First, they play games. The platform has gotten so unpredictable, it's hard to know what's actually working and what's just algorithm noise, okay? Second, support is terrible. The reps either don't speak great English or they're clearly learning on the fly. I can hear them reading documents on the WebEx meetings that we have. I can tell they're reading from a help article while trying to figure things out at the same time. That doesn't help me or my clients. That just doesn't. Now, I want to give credit where credit's due. Having a mix of creative assets still matters. Video that's, a 9:16, like a real size, a handful of strong photos, maybe 6 or 7 total, and a few different formatting options. Letting Meta's AI test headlines and ad versions is actually pretty smart and has worked pretty well. But their AI image generator, that's brutal. I'm not kidding. It's just bad. It's bad. It's horrible. The images it produces often look off-brand, unrealistic, or just plain weird. And some of their ad suggestions are half-baked too. It's almost like it's not working. Granted, AI works off prompts, but I don't trust Meta's AI prompts at this point. Maybe it'll get much better. This is October of 2025. And if you're a service-based business and you're using Meta to enhance branding, go for it. Stay visible, stay top of mind. But if you're using Meta because you want leads, I'm going to tell you Google is way better. Google's dashboard is cleaner, easier to navigate, and you don't have to jump through a million hoops. And the data, way more transparent. For nearly every client we've ever worked with, Google remains the #1 lead source if the client wanted to spend the money. If the client was reluctant to spend the money, then it's average at best. If you really wanted the best ROI, Google local service ads, if your business qualifies, that's the way to go. When optimized properly, it's still the absolute best value out there, bar none. Plus you get a recording of the call, you get the phone number. I mean, it's really, really good. I'm a huge fan of that. Meta at this point is still worth posting to, but even that's losing steam, don't you think? Unless the business owner themselves is sharing a genuine tip or speaking directly to the audience, like on a video, those before and after posts, they're tired, unless they're really good. They're tired. You need people on Facebook. You really do. You need people. People scroll right past the before and after photos. You still have to do it. You still have to show up. And I still believe that putting your website on there, pointing things back, I still believe that helps, even if it's a microdose, because SEO is a combination of everything you do, not just 1 or 2 things. But attention spans are shrinking by the day. For example, no one is watching the video at this point except for me in post-edit. Not one person on planet Earth out of 8 billion. So here's my takeaway. If you're a small business trying to decide where to spend your marketing dollars in 2025, keep using Meta for organic posting and brand awareness. Use Google for real lead generation, and don't waste time or money on platforms that make you feel like you're spinning your wheels. I'm Max from Max Out Creative, and I'll always tell you the truth, even if it's not what the platforms want to hear, as they stuff thousands of dollars in their pockets without giving you a single result. Thanks.